So finally, she's out, and I know, start her adventure. Yeah. She's a great hunter. At least she thought she is. What are you looking at? Bird? Where is it? What is it? What is it? A bug. Bird. Bug. Light. Moon. What is that? Mosquitoes. Oh, I hate mosquito. I don't think mosquito deserve to have a name like mosquito because it's hard to remember. What? What? What is that? Oh, I heard it. It's a bug. A little bit beeping, and what is that? Whatever. It's not getting, okay? Oh, I heard it. Do you heard it? 'Cause you do. Nah, you ain't catch it. It's outside. It's outside my bed.